stolen money in Kanda and everything. They did not explain that the public protector report has never said Comrade Jacob Zuma has stolen money. They said there were renovations that were done beyond the expected amount in his house. So he need to pay because they could not just destroy the renovations that were made. But those that are, have got the media space owning the media, they said he's corrupt, he stole money. You see, and they painted him with that corrupt brush as if now he's an epitome, he's sort of a poster boy of corruption in South Africa. And along the way, forgetting the people that have been embedded in corruption in South Africa, the white and black. So basically, Comrade Jacob Zuma disturbed the parasitic capitalist accumulation in South Africa. And they single-handedly took them head on. Remember that he's the only person who challenged the land question and became open about the theft of land by white people in South Africa, in parliament.